welcome back. Today I'm here to talk about something I have talked about before. I actually have got 2 videos on this subject, but people keep asking me for more because I think it's something that most people have a little problem to really understand and to really be able to use. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not going to solve your problem now, talking to you and explaining some grammatical stuff. This question about will and going to is complex to you because you're learning, and to you because you are learning the way most people learn in Brazil, which is you're studying some grammar and you're studying about how the language works and sentences and structure and verbs. And basically, the first tip I'm going to give you about will and going to is stop for a moment. Stop thinking about it so much. Stop stressing about it and start listening. You watch TV shows on Netflix, don't you? Yeah, you most definitely do. Listen to what they're saying. English subtitles on. Are they saying will? I will see you then. Are they saying going to? I'm going to see you then. Well, listen to it. Watch the show, understand the situation. Stop trying to understand the grammar because the grammatical explanations of will and going to are confusing and they are most of the time very contradictory as well. So the most, stop thinking about it. Native people are using this distinctively. They're not thinking about it because they didn't learn the grammatical difference. I didn't learn the grammatical difference until I became a teacher. So I had been talking fluent English for years until I became a teacher, until I had to understand, those differences to be able to answer questions like this. Will and going to. You want to learn English, right? Okay, so you'll say to me, Patricia, this year I will learn English. Fine, it's a plan. It's the future, like along the year. That's okay. But if you say to me, this year I'm going to learn English, then this is also the future and it's also a plan. The only difference between the 2 sentences is that the second sentence, I'm going to learn English, sounds a little bit more like a definite plan. Like you know exactly when this is going to happen, like you know how this is going to happen. You've got your whole thing planned out. You've booked some lessons with me. You know what you're doing. I'm going to learn English this year. But then again, you say, I will learn English this year. And it gives the person, me in this case, listening to you, the impression that I will learn English is kind of a promise. Something that, I will. I don't know exactly how. I don't know exactly if it's going to be this year, but I will learn English this year. It's the future. You're saying this is a future tense. They are very similar. The only difference is the planning. Like this is really definitely going to happen. It's the same as if I say to you, think about it logically for a second. I call you, hey, where are you? Where are you? And you say, I'm actually going to work now. I'm going to work. Like you're going to work. You have got your bag and you're out the door and you're walking to the car, like you're going to work. But if I say to you, hey, what are you doing this afternoon? What are you doing this afternoon? And you say, this is the future, right? What are you doing this afternoon? It's not now it's morning. What are you doing this afternoon? It's like the same as going to, it's the future. And the person says, or you say to me, I don't know, I think I'll go to work. You see? I think I will go to work. It's the future also. You're supposed to be going to work, but you're not sure you will. Maybe there is, like, you're supposed to be working from home, so you're not quite sure. You might have a meeting. I think I will go to work. So it's the future, you know, but it's not like a definite 100% plan. It's going to happen. I know when, I know how. Going to indicates I know when, I know how. This is a plan in my life. That's the difference. So it's very super close. Stop stressing about it. You know, watch TV shows with English subtitles. Get your head around it. Listen. Stop to listen. Stop panicking and just listen. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click on like, leave a comment, share with your friends, subscribe for more, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.